In this video, we'll show you how to change the battery in your ADT motion sensor SSM5R0. This motion sensor is compatible with the ADT smart home security bases and requires one 3-volt CR123A battery, which you can purchase from an online or local retailer or from ADT by calling 800-ADT ASAP. You'll know it's time to replace the battery when you receive a low battery notification from the ADT Plus app. Additionally, a system issue alert will appear on your ADT Plus app dashboard. Tap the alert to view details about the issue. New battery, but still seeing a low battery warning? Make sure the battery is installed correctly. Now, let's get started. Make sure your system is disarmed. If your system is professionally monitored, put it in test mode before proceeding. This prevents the ADT monitoring center from responding to alarm signals while you work. Watch this video to learn more about test mode. To access the battery compartment, you'll need to remove the sensor from its mounted location. Using the marking on the side as a guide, slide the sensor to the unlocked position, then lift it off the mounting plate. Now that you have access to the battery compartment, remove the used battery. Pro tip: clean the new battery and the metal contact points inside the sensor with an alcohol swab to remove any residue. Then, insert the new battery. Make sure it's placed in the device correctly, with the positive end pointing toward the plus sign inside the device. To remount, align the sensor over the mounting plate and slide it down until it's in the locked position and clicks into place. After remounting the sensor, walk through the monitored area. A solid yellow light for 1 to 2 seconds confirms the motion has been detected. That's it! You can now take your system out of test mode and resume normal use of your ADT motion sensor. Need more help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com for more information about your ADT smart home security devices and system, or to chat with us.